Hello motorcycle enthusiasts! Today I'll show you how to remove the fork on the Suzuki GS500E. As you can see, the front wheel has already been removed. I've already made another video on how to remove it. I'll link it for you above. And now I'll first show you what tools are needed. So, if you already have the front wheel out, you'll need the following tools to remove the fork. A 19mm wrench. We need a 6mm Allen key and a 14mm hex with the appropriate drive. Additionally, a 4 and 5mm Allen key as well as an 8mm hex, also with the appropriate drive. Sorry guys, not 4 and 5, but 3 and 4mm. I just checked again. Next we need to loosen these 4 screw connections here. These are screws that go through downward. At the top, we have a head with a 3mm Allen key, and at the bottom, an 8mm hex. So it's a screw with a washer and a self-locking nut on the bottom. Please don't try to turn them up here. They are as soft as butter. That won't work. You can only hold against it up here, and need to loosen it from below with the 8mm socket, and they need to come out completely. And I'll do that with all 4 now. Once these 4 screws are out, you can remove the fender down here. Next, we have the 4 screws from the fork stabilizer. These are also usually very, very soft. And the head is often already quite worn. So please make sure to remove the dirt that's in here beforehand. And I've started giving each of them a little tap beforehand, just to loosen them up a bit. Yes, and now these 4 need to be removed. And then we continue. Let's see, this is going well. The fork stabilizer can now be set aside. So, friends, now a very important tip. Please first loosen this screw up here. Boom. This one. 6mm Allen key. Yes, on the upper triple clamp. Please, not yet on the lower triple clamp. I'll tell you why now. So first the one up here. Because you certainly want to open the fork, to change the seal, and put in fresh oil. For that, you need to unscrew the top cap from the fork. And it's very, very difficult to do if you already have the fork out or if it's already completely loosened. This way, it is still held by the lower clamp. You've loosened the upper one, and now you can at least loosen this cap. Otherwise, you won't have any way to hold it later. There are 2 types of these caps. The one I have here is the simple one without an adjuster. When you have the black plastic cap off, a 1/2-inch drive fits right in, as you have seen. And if it's the cap with the adjuster, a small nipple sticks out. There you have a hexagon, so please use the appropriate hex key. And, as I said, loosen the cap, but don't unscrew it yet. That will come, later on. I'll link the video above again with, disassembling and overhauling the fork. And we'll continue right away down here with this screw. And it continues with the last 2 screws. Specifically, it's this one and this one here on the side, a 14mm hex head. Loosen it properly here. The same on this side. Loosen here as well. And now you can firmly grasp the fork tubes. Here, twist them, and pull them out downward while twisting. The lamp bracket stays attached. I think you can see that well, right? Be careful not to misalign. We have the first one out right away. And the other side, if it doesn't work, you can try to slightly expand the clamp here, or carefully counteract from above with a piece of wood and a hammer. But here, it works quite well. So folks, then you have your fork out. If you liked my video, remember, I appreciate a thumbs up and of course a subscription. And with that, I wish you lots of fun with the project and see you in the next video. Bye bye.